If you're encountering the cloud save error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch 2 server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Battle.net launcher to scan and repair your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix the error. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, try clearing the cache by turning off your console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. This can help clear any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 in Overwatch 2. If the problem continues, staying in touch with support will be your best option for a solution.